from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A General Assembly update and applications are now open for the Henrico County Public Schools preschool program. We'll tell you more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, February 15th, 2022. It's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Applications are now being accepted for the 2022-23 Early Learning Preschool program through Henrico Public Schools. The program is designed to provide a preschool environment for children who will be 4 years old by September 30th of this year. If you're interested, you can apply and submit the required documents online through the school system's website. That address is henricoschools.us/preschool. You could also call the school system at 328-8104. One Virginia senator wants to ensure that K-12 educators and other school personnel earn competitive salaries. Senator Ghazala Hashmi of Richmond introduced a bill that has advanced out of the Education and Health Committee this month and was sent to the Finance and Appropriations Committee. It would mandate that school social workers, nurses, and other personnel would see their pay increase in addition to the pay raises teachers receive. State law already requires a biennial review and increase of teacher pay starting in 2023 and ending in 2028. That pay increase also requires some funding from local school boards. Hashmi's bill would require Virginia salaries to be at or above the national average, which is currently $63,645 a year for teachers. Former Governor Ralph Northam said in a December press release that his proposed budget would include pay raises that would raise a teacher's salary above the national average. Governor Glenn Youngkin also agreed that teachers should be paid, quote, as the professionals that they are, end quote. Teachers in Virginia made about 10% less than the state's average annual salary during the 2019-20 school year. That's according to business.org. Teaching vacancies also have increased by nearly 62% from 2018 to 2021. You can read more about this topic right now on henricocitizen.com by clicking on News and then Government. Several people pardoned for past crimes recently advocated in favor of legislation known as the Second Look Bill. A bill in the Virginia Senate and a companion one in the House would mandate that anyone 25 or younger who committed a crime and had served for 10 years could petition the court for a modified sentence. A person over the age of 26 at the time of the crime could petition the court if 15 years of the sentence had been served. The incarcerated person would need a record of good behavior to qualify. There would also be a 90-day process to get back in front of a sentencing judge. The Commonwealth and any victims would be notified. The proposal has the support of the ACLU of Virginia. Most Virginia inmates are required to serve at least 85% of their sentences before they petition for early release. A similar bill was proposed last year, but it was tied 4-4 in a subcommittee vote and did not pass. This year, the Senate Judiciary Committee advanced the Senate bill on a party line vote and referred it to the Finance Committee. The House bill remains in committee. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County, which is celebrating Black History Month all month long. Visit the county's YouTube page at youtube.com/Henrico County Government to watch original documentaries and biographies spotlighting Henrico's black community. That's youtube.com/Henrico County Government.